SyndLab 2.0 allows you to syndicate your content to over 30+ social networks for fast page 1 rankings for both your videos and niche sites. SyndLab 2 will also allow you to use this platform as a content distribution and management platform, since you'll be able to syndicate your content across all your networks at the push of a button. Features: syndicate and rank your videos. With SyndLab, you'll be able to automatically get backlinks and video embeds for your videos, syndicate and rank your niche sites. Want the same power of a PBN without the stress of building one? Social syndication is just as powerful for page 1 rankings. Automate content marketing. SyndLab is not just for getting page 1 rankings. If you're a content marketer, you can use SyndLab to ensure your content gets posted on all your profiles. Automate social media marketing. If you're a social media marketer, this is the perfect software for you. SyndLab makes it one-click easy to manage your social media syndication as well. What is new in SyndLab 2.0? Completely revamped our syndication engine to deliver faster syndications and faster results. After processing over 500,000 syndications, increased our syndication integrations from 21 sites to 30 sites, added RSS feeds of your campaigns to allow for even further syndication and indexing, added campaign cloning to make it faster and easier to get even more content syndicated, added Facebook photo and Facebook video syndication, integrated with the #1 photo sharing site, Instagram, added the ability to export campaign reports in just one click, and much more. Over 25 upgrades and improvements total. Frequently asked questions. What is SyndLab? SyndLab is a web-based app that can be accessed from any computer from any location, as long as you have an internet connection. Once you log in, you'll be able to quickly and easily connect to over 21+ social syndication sites. Once connected, you'll be able to syndicate any content you'd like, whether it's videos, blog sites, Web 2.0 sites, pretty much any content you'd like. You'll also be able to syndicate your content immediately or schedule them for up to 2 weeks in the future. This will allow you to get fast page 1 rankings completely hands-free. Is SyndLab Mac compatible? Yes. In fact, SyndLab works on any computer. It's a web-based app, which means all you need is a web browser and an internet connection, and you'll be able to use SyndLab. Do I need any proxies or captchas to make SyndLab work for me? Nope. We've created SyndLab in a way that you don't need any captchas or proxies to make it work. Many ranking tools require captchas and proxies, but SyndLab doesn't. Is there a guarantee policy? Yes, absolutely. We are extremely confident in what we've created. So confident that you'll be able to use SyndLab for a full 30 days. And if within those 30 days you feel SyndLab is not for you, then just shoot us an email and we'll give you a full refund. Does SyndLab work for local marketing? Yes, absolutely. We've built SyndLab to work for anything you're looking to do online. Local, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, e-commerce, pretty much anything that you need targeted traffic for. Conclusion. Thanks for reading my review. As per my view, this is the best product you will ever have. I hope it will help in making your decision to buy or not to buy this product.